Northwest welcomes to the IABL Basketball Tournament Inter-Squad. Game 2 between playing Bethany versus Zora. And now, starting five of Zora. Jersey number 9, Rickson Miranda. Jersey number 1, Alvin Cole. Jersey number 3, Warren Eddy. Jersey number 10, Pat Basili. And jersey number 23, Philip Lim. Starting five of Team Bethany. Jersey number 12, Renzo Padilla. Jersey number 24, Ozier Gilani. Jersey number 2, John Del Santos. Jersey number 8, AJ Valdez. And jersey number 5, Joshua Enriquez. The teams to now.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the game 2 of IABL Inter-School Basketball Tournament between Bethany versus Chonghua.
Miranda gave 42 points.
Miranda, basket is good.
43, Team Wani gave 42 points. 42,
Si jersey number 5, Enriquez. Derecho. Spin cycle. Basket is good by Enriquez.
Enriquez gave 42 points.
Miranda.
42,
Basiri.
and
To
Shotgun.
Edding. Alvin to Edding. Edding, no good. Edding pa rin to Alvin to Basiri.
And shoot.
Basiri. No good. Rebound by Miranda. Basiri. To Alvin
And Shotgun.
Miranda. No good. Enriquez. Out of bounds. Basiri.
42,
Miranda. Good for 2 points.
42, jump ball, single possession. 12 seconds for the shot clock, 12 seconds to shoot.
Codilla, no good. Canva City. to Liam. Basket is good by Liam. Go for it.
Good for two by Liam.
Codilla. Pass on jersey number 2. 3 points.
Santos, good for 2 points.
Santos. 3 points is brought to you by La Gran Restaurant.
Can shoot.
Binawi din ni Lim.
Liam, good for 3 points.
3 points is brought to you by Joan's Pharmacy. Santos again. No good.
Fourteen to shoot.
Enriquez. Dube derecho. Mid-range jumper. Basket is good by Enriquez.
Enriquez. Fourteen to shoot. 10 shot clock.
Alvin to. Tumira ng 3. No good. Jim Lani for the rebound. Enriquez na naman. Tumatakbo. Enriquez. No good. Rebound by Codilla. Liam to Basiri.
Fourteen to shoot.
Edding to
10
Basiri.
shot clock.
Basiri to Miranda. Miranda ang ganda pero in and out. Codilla to Valdez. Valdez to Santos. Valdez pa rin. Jim Lani. That's 3 seconds violation.
Violation. Substitution. Sub.
Estabillo. Basiri. 3 points.
Basiri.
San Basiri.
3 points.
Codilla. Grabe yung layup na yan.
Codilla with 2 points.
No good by Estabillo. Codilla to Enriquez.
Enriquez with 2 points.
Grabe.
Fourteen shooting.
Calma City again. No good. Santos. Pass to Enriquez. To Jim Lani. No good. Jim Lani pa rin. No good ang Jim Lani. But nandun si Enriquez.
And shooting.
Santos. Teardrop. Basket is
Santos
good.
with 2 points. Official score deadlock 15 all.
Tayo score po tayo. 15 all. Eddie. Estabillo. No good. Alvin to for the rebound. Estabillo again.
And
To
shot
Edding. Basiri. To Alvin to. Fake. Pass to Basiri. Basiri fires the 3. Basket is good by Basiri.
2 points.
Grabe yun. 3 points is brought to you by Top Barber Shop Zamboanga.
14 shooting.
Jim Lani to Santos. Grabe. Goal for 2 by Santos. 1 point lead by Team Chongwa, 18-17.
Fourteen shooting. 10 shot clock. Substitution rep sub.
Dala oh. Tumbler. Wala ka nga nag-i. Hindi ka ba? Wala ka nga nag-i. Enriquez, and there's a foul basket.
There's a basket and one by jersey number 5 and Enriquez, good for 2 points. And there is a foul on jersey number 2.
Estabilo.
Foul on jersey number 2, Estabilo, first foul.
First personal foul on Estabilo. Enriquez going to complete the 3-point play by Enriquez. So change favor, 2-point lead by Bethany, 20-18. We're down to 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Canvas City. Basket is good.
Sally, good for 2 points.
Sally,
Remaining time 2 minutes.
deadlock, 20 all.
First period. 14 to shoot. Yes. 10 shot clock. Substitution rep sub.
Substitution. Yusuf, number 28. Ha? Vega. Okay lang, basta paldo.
1 minute and 45 seconds.
Estabilo, no good.
12 seconds to the shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. With 1 minute and 38 seconds. 12 seconds on the shot clock.
Rally to Basiri. Basiri, guarded by Enriquez. Basiri, no good. Bayot to Vega. Return to Bayot. Enriquez, mid-range jumper. Basket is good by Enriquez.
Enriquez with 42 points.
Sally. Sally to Basiri. To Estabilo. To Sally.
5
No good. On jersey number 14.
seconds to play. 49
Gasis to
seconds.
Enriquez. Enriquez. In and out.
40 seconds. 10 to shoot.
Enriquez. Teardrop. No good pa rin.
35 seconds.
35 seconds.
30 seconds.
Basiri. Good for 2.
City, good for 2 points. 15 seconds.
15 seconds. Ryan.
10 seconds. 5.
Bayot, no good. Stabilo. And that's the end of our first quarter. 20 all.
First for you, the official running score deadlock. 22 all.
So back to the ball game. Starting over second quarter. Edding. Heading to Miranda. Miranda.
14 to shoot.
Pass to Basiri. Fires the three. No good. Rebound on Lim. No good pa rin. Lim pa rin. Heading. Miranda. Lim.
10 to
Basiri
shoot.
to Heading. Chua. No good. Rebound by Ryan Bayot. Jersey number 20. Fires the three. Hassan. 3 points is brought to you by Joan's Pharmacy and Lagran by Mano Mano Restaurant. Miranda to Basiri. Basiri back to Miranda. Miranda. And there's a foul on jersey number 28.
Subdivision foul on jersey number 28. Vega, first foul.
First foul on Vega.
14 seconds of the shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot.
Basket is good by Edding.
Eddie with first 2 points. Fourteen shot clock. Hassan.
Hassan. 3 points na naman ni Hassan. Grabe yun.
Time, 8 minutes.
Back to back 3 points by Hassan. Miranda, power move. Same ball possession.
Same ball possession, 12 seconds of the shot clock, 12 seconds to shoot.
12
Subdivision
seconds to
red
shoot.
sub,
12 on the shot clock.
12 seconds of the shot clock.
4-point
12
lead by
seconds to shoot.
Bethany.
Eight to shoot.
Codilla. Codilla.
Cordelia with
Left-handed. Basket is good. Lim to Miranda. To Edding.
14 to shoot.
Ryan Bayot to Codilla. Codilla. And there's a foul.
And there's ball on jersey number.
Foul on 09,
Ball on
Miranda.
jersey 09, Rickson Miranda. First personal foul.
So at
2
the line,
shots.
jersey number 12, Codilla.
The line of jersey the goal Cordelia, the feature line. Remaining time 7 minutes and 46 seconds left.
Basiri. Miranda.
14 to shoot.
To Lim. Lim to Basiri. Fires the three. No good. Rebound by Edding. Edding.
On one.
Good for two. Grabe yun. Vega. To jersey number 19. Short. Rebound by Basiri. Basiri.
Remaining time 7 minutes. 14 to shoot.
Anwar Edding. Basket is
On
good.
one. Edding with 42 points.
Ryan Bayot. No good. Second quarter pa man tayo. Last game.
Cordelia with 42 points.
Good for two by Codilla.
6 minutes and 20 seconds.
Edding dribbles the ball. Edding.
14 to shoot.
Hello pa.
14 shot clock.
Codilla.
And to shoot.
3 seconds violation on Basan.
Charge timeout, Chongwon. With 5 minutes and 53 seconds. Official running score 28-32 in favor of Team Betsan.
Back to the ball game, 5 minutes and 53 seconds. Tan. And there's a foul on Codilla.
And there is a foul on jersey number 12, Codilla, first foul. 16 on the shot clock, 16 seconds to shoot.
Lim to Basiri. Back to Lim. Lim to Edding.
On one.
Good for 2 by Edding. Ryan
14 to shoot.
to Jimlani.
And shot
Jimlani,
clock.
teardrop, no good. Rebound by Ryan Bayot. Basket is good.
Bayot with 42 points.
Grabe. Basiri to Miranda. Miranda. Still by Santos. Jimlani.
Jimlani with 42
Good for
points.
2 on Jimlani. Tan. Still by Asiman. Asian. Still by Basiri. To Lim. Lim to Miranda. Miranda. And there's a foul.
And there is a foul on jersey number
12.
Codilla, second foul, substitution sub.
Sub.
Second personal foul on Codilla, second foul.
Huwag na lang. Kain na lang ako. Grabe man yun. Bakit kay Miranda? He complete a 2-point free throw by Miranda. Bagong gupit ni Sir Rickson Miranda. Pogi shot pala yun. Basiri. Pass to Alvin To. Back to Basiri. Estabilio, good for 2.
Estabilio with 42 points.
Down to 2-point lead by Bethany, 36-34.
10 shot clock.
Jimlani. Rebound by Basiri. Basiri to Chua. Chua. Blocked by Ryan Bayot. Santos. And there's a foul.
Substitution sub.
Foul on Alvin To. Alvin To.
Jersey number 1, Alvin To, first foul.
First personal foul on Alvin To.
14 seconds to the shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. with 3 minutes 18 seconds. 14 shot clock.
Enriquez. Stop.
And the shooting.
Jimlani. Guarded by Chua.
Jimlani.
Good for 2 by Jimlani. Alvin to Estabilio, no good. Rebound by Santos. Santos to Jimlani. Jimlani, no good. There's a foul.
Substitution sub. Fallen jersey in the Turkey. Gassis first foul.
Gassis, that is first personal foul on Gassis.
2 minutes and 38 seconds.
Sally, no good. Rebound by Santos
2 minutes
to
and 25
Enriquez.
seconds.
Enriquez to Gassis.
14 to shoot.
Santos. Santos, no good. Rebound by Alvin to Basiri. Basiri. Estabilio to Alvin to Sally.
And to shoot.
Basiri. Basiri to Alvin to Sally, no good. Santos for the fast break to Gassis. Still by Alvin to Estabilio to Basiri. Basiri fires the 3, no good.
Substitution sub.
Substitution.
Remaining time 1 minute and 38 seconds. 16 shot clock. Substitution sub.
Ball remains to the Chongwa. 1 minute and 38 seconds to end our first half. Second quarter.
14
Chua.
to shoot.
Chua. And there's a foul.
And there is a foul on jersey
Number 2.
Santos. First
Personal foul, Santos. At the line, jersey number 22, Chua. In and out for the first basket on Chua.
Line and jersey number 22, Chua on the free throw line.
Basket 1 by Chua.
Basket 1 by
3-point
Chua.
lead by Bethany, 38-35.
Remaining time 1 minute and 25 seconds. 14
Enriquez to Santos, out of bounds, Chongwa ball.
1 minute 15
Edding to
seconds.
Miranda. Back to Edding. Edding to Alvin to fires the 3. Rebound by Santos. Santos to Enriquez. Enriquez out of bounds.
Out of bounds.
Nice defense on Anwar Edding.
The same ball possession, 19 seconds to the shot clock, 19 seconds to shoot, seconds to play, 59 seconds left, 19 on the shot clock.
Rip boys by Santos.
Santos, good for 3 points.
3 points is brought to you by Top
49
Barbershop Zamboanga.
seconds left.
Ayan, kung gusto nyo paggupit, doon na sa Top Barbershop Zamboanga.
14 to shoot,
Alvin
40 seconds.
To Lim. Lim good for 2.
30 seconds left.
We're down to 30 seconds to end our first half. Enriquez
25
crossover.
seconds.
Gassis fires the 3.
Gassis,
Good for 3 points. Gassis. It's brought to you by 3 points. Brought to you by Mano Mano Restaurant. Sally. Pull up. Basket is good.
30 points. 5 seconds.
5 seconds. Santos. No good. Rebound by Alvin To. Heading. That's the end of first half.
First half official running score 39-44. Bethany.
Bethany. Sunny Bay.
Play ball entering third period. Bethany ball.
Back to the ball game starting for our third quarter of this game. Too much between Bethany versus Chonghua. Enriquez, no good. Rebound by Liam. Liam to Edding to Miranda. Miranda, no good. Same ball possession.
13 seconds to the shot clock. 13 seconds to shoot.
13 seconds on the shot clock. And there's a foul on jersey number 3.
Jersey number 3.
Ryan Bayot.
Ryan Bayot. First personal foul.
Alvin To.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Alvin To Anwar Edding. No good. Rebound by Rickson Miranda. Power rebound but not good. Rebound by Vega. Ryan Bayot to Enriquez. Enriquez, no good. Grabe tong referee natin. The idol referee, Bong Paido. Yung akala mo sa inyo ng ball possession pero hindi pala. Umasa ka sa wala. Aray mo.
Sa inyo. Mukha lang sa inyo, guys.
Rickson Miranda.
14 shoot.
Alvin To.
And shot clock.
To Liam, fires the 3. No good. Rebound by Codilla. Codilla. To Ryan Bayot.
14 shoot.
Ryan Bayot.
10 shot clock.
And there's a foul.
Third foul on jersey number
1, Alvin To.
Second foul, substitution.
Second personal foul on Alvin To.
Second foul on jersey number 1, Alvin To. Reported by referee Bong Paido. At the line on jersey number 3, Ryan Bayot and the free throw line.
Still by Enriquez. Enriquez, no good. Ryan Bayot to Vega. Vega, power move. Out of bounds, Chonghua ball. 44-39, leads by Team Bethany. So 5-point lead po ang Bethany. 44-39.
14 shoot.
Liam fires the 3, no good. Rebound by Tan. Steal by Santos. And there's a foul on Edding.
Jersey number 13, Edding. First personal foul.
First personal foul on Edding. Enriquez to Codilla.
14 to shoot.
Codilla. No good. Heading to Alvin To. Alvin To to Lim. Lim to Tan. To Rickson Miranda. Miranda. Blocked by Codilla. Substitution.
Same ball possession, 13 seconds to the shot clock, 13 seconds to shoot.
Basiri to Kan. To Alvin To. Back to Lim. Basiri to Edding.
5,
Edding to Lim.
basket is good.
Out of bounds. So 3-point lead by Bethany. Umabol po yung Team Chongwa. Edding
10 to shoot.
to Alvin to Basiri, to Lim. Back to Basiri, to Edding. Ganda ng ball movement. Alvin to fires the three. No good. Rebound by Enriquez. Enriquez to Santos. Santos. No good. Enriquez for the rebound.
10 to shoot.
Jimlani. Jimlani. Travel violation by Jimlani. Kakain ka dito. Kung hindi ka magkain, magsakit yan mo.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 25 seconds.
Sorry na.
Basiri, fires a three.
Time.
Tabla na po ang lawanan. 44 all. 6 minutes and 5 seconds to the third quarter. Codilla.
14 shoot.
Codilla. Codilla. In and out. Rebound by Edding. Basiri. Fires na 3 na naman. Kan Basiri. Back to back. Basket on 3 points on Kan Basiri. So lead na po ang Team Chongwa 47 to 44. Grabe Kan Basiri. We'll be right back after the timeout break.
Back to the ball game, remaining time, 5 minutes and 52 seconds. Official running score 44-47 in favor of Team Chongwa.
So back to the ball game. Lamang na po ang Team Chongwa ng 3. Galing pa yan 3 points kay Kan Basiri to lead his team to 3-point lead. 44 to 47.
14 to shoot.
Same ball possession.
Same ball possession, 12 seconds to the shot clock, 12 seconds to shoot.
Santos.
10 to shoot.
Santos. Rebound by Tan. Still by Codilla. Codilla to Jimlani. Basket and one.
By jersey number 24, Jimlani, good for 2 points.
Foul on jersey number 13, Edding.
Edding, second foul. Bonus featured by jersey number 24, Jimlani on the free throw line.
Ozier Jimlani, he completed a 3-point play. Alvin To. To Basili. Basiri.
Shot clock. Substitution sub.
Substitution. Chongwa remains the ball. Possession. Ten on the shot clock.
10 seconds to the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot.
Lim to Edding.
5.
Edding, mid-range jumper. Basket is good. Anwar Edding.
Anwar Edding for 2 points.
So 2-point lead na lang po ang Team Chongwa. 49 to 47. Enriquez.
14 to shoot.
Enriquez, ang ganda ng spin cycle ni Enriquez.
Official running score deadlock.
Grabe yun.
4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Valdez. To Jimlani. Jimlani. Good for 2.
Good for 2 points.
So, bante na po ang Bethany. Change favor. 51 to 49. 2-point lead.
14 to shoot.
Anwar Edding. Guarded by Jimlani. No good. Rebound by Codilla. Codilla to Enriquez. Enriquez.
Enriquez.
Basket is good.
2 points. To shoot.
Basiri. Enters a foul on Enriquez.
Jersey number 5. Enriquez, second foul. 14 on the shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot.
So, second personal foul on jersey number 5, Enriquez. Rickson Miranda, ganda ng inbound play.
Miranda, good for 2 points.
Nakaw-play yun by Team Chongwa. Grabe. 2-point lead by Bethany. 53 to 51. Under 3 minutes and 20.
14 to shoot.
Enriquez to Codilla. Codilla, teardrop. No good. Rebound by Edding. Edding. Still by Enriquez. Enriquez. Grabe yun. Circuit shot by Enriquez. 4-point lead by Bethany. 55 to 51. Edding dribbles the ball. Edding.
14 shoot.
Pass to Basiri. Basiri guarded by Codilla. Basiri to Rickson Miranda. Miranda. Same possession.
6 seconds to the shot clock. 6 seconds to shoot. With 2 minutes and 32 seconds.
Na, si Kere mga sa banda, kina-table. Kasi uy pala na mic.
Same ball possession. 1 seconds on the shot clock. So catch and shoot ang mangyari dito. 1 seconds on the shot clock. So grabing depensa ng Team Bethany. So 1 seconds on the shot clock. We will see anong mangyari. Alvin To fires for 3. That is out of bounds. So ang ganda lang depensa ng Team Bethany. So 4-point lead by Bethany. 55 to 51. 4-point lead by Team Bethany.
Team Bethany.
So Ryan Bayot dribbles the ball. Pass on Codilla. Codilla.
14
Back to Ryan Bayot. Ryan Bayot. Mid-range jumper. Basket is good.
Bayot with 42 points.
Grabe.
During time 2 minutes.
Alvin To on Chua. Blocked by Codilla. Enriquez. Pass to Jimlani. Jimlani. No foul call by referee. Basiri guarded by
45 seconds.
Basan. Basiri waiting for his teammate. To Alvinto. Stop and bump. Alvinto. 3 points. 3 points is brought to you by Lagran by Mano Mano Restaurant.
Can't shoot.
Ryan Bayot to Jim Lani. Jim Lani fires the 3.
Jim Wani.
Sagutan yata to ng 3 dito. Sinagot din ni Osher. Jim Lani ang 3. Miranda and there's a foul. Jersey number 3. Ryan Bayot. Silang personal foul na ni Ryan Bayot. At the line.
Jersey number 9, Rickson Miranda.
So at the line, jersey number 9, Miranda.
Shout out to Bong Paido, the outstanding referee of Canelar Moret.
Grabe. So shout out daw kay Bong Paido, the most outstanding award referee ng Canelar Moret. Grabe. So 4-point lead by Bethany, 60-56.
Seconds played, 55 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Ryan Bayot, same ball possession.
12 seconds to the shot clock.
So we're down, guys, 48 seconds to end our third quarter.
Can shoot 45 seconds.
Cordilla, step back, no good. Rebound by Basan.
30 seconds.
Basan to the Cordilla, still by Rickson. Miranda, no good. Rebound by Ryan Bayot.
30 seconds.
Bayot to Enriquez.
25.
No good. Rebound by Jim Lani. Jim Lani pa rin.
20 seconds.
Same ball possession.
Same ball possession, 11 on the shot clock.
So 18 seconds. There's a shot clock, 11 seconds.
11 shot clock.
Ryan Bayot, 10 on the shot clock. Osir Jim Lani. Pull up 2, no good. The city to Alvinto. Alvinto, no good. 5 seconds. Cordilla. So that's the end of the third quarter.
The official running score 60-56 in favor of Team Bethany.
4-point lead by Bethany. We'll right back after the break. So back to the ball game, last and final quarter of this game 2 play between Bethany versus Chonghua. 4-point lead by Team Bethany, 60-56. Anwar Edding
14 to shoot.
to Basiri.
Shot clock.
Grabe yun. Basket count by Basiri.
Conga City for 2 points. 14 to shoot.
Good for 2. On Valdez.
Valdez good for 2 points.
Liam
14 shot
to
clock.
Miranda.
10 to shoot.
To Edding. And there's a foul. On jersey number
8, Valdez first
8,
foul.
Valdez.
2 shots On the line, jersey number 13, Anwar Edin on the 5th row line.
Basket 1 by Eding. Pelyador na yan. So sponsored po yung OEC dito sa league natin. Baka naman OEC sa mga committee natin. Basket 1, basket 2 rather, by Codilla. So nagpaparinig yung mga committee dito, yung especially yung Barker, OEC, baka naman.
14 shoot. And shot clock. Single possession, 10 seconds to the shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds on the shot clock.
8 minutes and 45 seconds. 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Heading. Guarded by Valdez. Heading. Grabe yun.
Anwar Edin.
Edin, good for 2. Ang hirap mag-guard doon kay Eding. Pero, ginard siya ni Valdez para wala lang. Enriquez fires the 3. No good. Rebound by Rickson Miranda. Alvin to.
14 shoot.
Basket count by Bus City.
And there's a basket and one by jersey number 10, Can Basiri, good for 2 points.
Basket
And
count
there's
follow
foul on
30.
Jersey number foul on jersey number 30, second, personal foul.
Vega, mag-sub ka? Wait lang, excuse.
Sir Vega. Enriquez.
14
Pull up
shoot.
jump by Enriquez. Basket is good by Enriquez.
Good for 2 points.
Grabe to Enriquez.
Fourteen shoot.
Gassis guarded
10
on
shot
Basiri.
clock.
Basiri. Grabe. Fan Basiri.
Good for 2 points.
Iba talaga.
Substitution red sub. Same ball possession, 15 seconds to the shot clock, 15 seconds to shoot.
So mahaba pang oras, 7 minutes and 22 seconds, 66 all rather. Santos, pass on Ryan. Ang gandang ball movement doon. Valdez, good for 2 points, assisted by Ryan Bayot.
Official running score, 68-66 in favor of Team Bethany. Remaining
Basiri.
7 minutes. 13
Basiri.
shoot. 10
Estabillo.
shot clock.
No good. Codilla, pass to Santos. 3 points by Santos. It's brought to you by Tough Barbershop Zamboanga.
14 shoot.
Edding, guarded by Valdez. Edding,
10 shot clock.
no good. Rebound by Codilla. Enriquez. To Santos. Santos, teardrop. No good. Rebound by Alvin to. Basiri. To Estabillo. Back to Basiri. Basiri.
14 shoot.
Estabillo at the free throw line. Basket is good.
Estabillo gave 42 points. Georgetown Team Bethany. 1 time left, Team Bethany. 1 timeout left.
Back to the ball game. 5 minutes and 50 seconds to end our last and final quarter in game 2 here at IABL basketball tournament inter-school play between Bethany versus Chongwa. Santos flash for 3.
Santos.
Bang bang! Santos 3 points is brought to you by Top Barbershop Zamboanga. Santos again. Pumukol ng 3. No good. Liam. Dixon Miranda.
Charge timeout. Chongwon.
Watching the Bunani, era? 24!
So back to the ball game.
Five minutes. 14 shoot.
Ryan Bayot guarded by Lim. Ryan Bayot no good. Same ball possession.
Same ball possession. 6 seconds to the shot clock. 6 seconds to shoot.
6 seconds on the shot clock. Ryan Bayot. And there's a foul. Follow jersey number 79, Rickson.
Second
Miranda.
personal foul.
Second personal foul on Miranda.
Two shots.
Basket won by Ryan Bayot. (76 to 68) in favor of Team Bethany. Liam, no good. Rebound by Ryan Bayot. To Enriquez. Enriquez to Santos. Santos. In and out. Estabillo. Brother. Rickson Miranda to Canbasiri. To Lim. Fires the 3. No good. Rebound by Enriquez. Enriquez. Stop daw. Enriquez.
14 to shoot. 10 shot clock.
10 on the shot clock. Enriquez. Pass to Valdez. Valdez to Santos.
5 to shoot.
Valdez. Good for 2.
Good for 2 points.
Three minutes and 40 to end our last and final quarter. Canvas City.
14 to shoot.
ISO play by Canvas City.
10 shot clock.
Good for 2 by Canvas City. Grabe yun.
2 points.
Solid na solid. So 8-point lead by Bethany. 78 to 70. Cordelia to Ryan Bayot. Ryan Bayot. And there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 23.
Foul on jersey number 23.
Lim.
Second foul.
Second personal foul on Lim. Ryan Bayot. Basket 1 free throw. Lastra jumper. He complete the 2-point free throw by Ryan Bayot.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 5 seconds.
3 minutes.
14 to shoot.
Heading, no good.
10
Rebound by
shot
Jimlani.
clock.
Ryan Bayot dribbles the ball. Pass to Codilla. To Enriquez. Santos. Basket is good by Santos.
Santos with
So
42
12-point lead by Bethany.
And there's a basket.
Foul
by
basket
jersey
and
number
one.
10 on the city.
Grabe yun.
2 points. Substitution sub.
At the line, jersey number 10, Canvas City.
On jersey number 3, Ryan Bayot, third foul.
So third personal foul on Ryan Bayot. Canvas City complete a 3-point play, down to 9 points.
2 minutes and 25
82 to
seconds.
73. Codilla dribbles the ball. Codilla
14 to shoot.
to Jimlani, to Enriquez.
10 shot clock.
Enriquez pull up jump, no good. Rebound by Alvin To.
Last 2 minutes.
Ball possession.
So bola ng Bethany. We're down to last 2 minutes on our last and final quarter of this ball game. 82 to 73. Bethany leads. So yung Chonghua, man-to-man defense. Codilla to defended by Alvin To. And there's a foul on jersey number 1.
Ball on jersey number 1, third foul.
Third personal foul on Alvin To. So man-to-man defense by Team Chonghua.
14 to shoot. 10 shot clock.
And there's a
Warning for
foul.
penalty. Chonghua warning for penalty. Foul on Rickson Miranda, third foul.
Third personal foul on Miranda.
1 minute and 40 seconds. 10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Santos.
5.
And there's a foul.
3. Penalty. Penalty. Foul on jersey number 1, Alvin To, fourth foul, warning for foul out.
No good on Santos. Rebound by Chua. Alvin To
1 minute and
Basiri.
30 seconds.
Basiri. Guarded by Enriquez. And there's a foul. Jersey number 5, Enriquez.
Foul on jersey number 5, Enriquez. Third foul on Enriquez, third foul.
Third personal foul on Enriquez.
Third team foul.
C. Basket, sab lang.
Foul on jersey number
09,
09,
Miranda.
Miranda.
Time out.
Foul on jersey number 09, fourth foul, warning for foul out.
Score ali 74. Sila lang yung PD coach.
Back to the ball game, remaining time 1 minute and 24 seconds.
Penalty. Prediction kwanto ya? Warning for foul daw yan. Habla ulit, para sabi rin.
Again, on jersey number 09, Rickson Miranda, warning for foul out.
So basket won by Codilla. So he complete the 2-point free throw by Codilla. So 10-point lead again by Bethany, 84-74. Bad City guarded by Enriquez. Bad City still by Codilla. Basket is good.
For 2 points. Remaining time 1 minute. Blocking foul on jersey number 5.
Warning na yun.
Enriquez, fourth foul, warning for foul out.
So, warning for penalty tayo Bethany.
Warning for penalty, Bethany, warning for penalty.
Basket won by Chongwa, by Canva City.
Again, jersey number 5, Enriquez, warning for foul out. Penalty. Foul on jersey number 1. 5 fouls on Alvin Cole, 5 fouls. Substitution ref sub.
So Alvin To fouled out. So we're down to seconds to play.
Traveling violation. 56 seconds left.
Travel violation. So 56 seconds. Bus City to Chua. And there's a foul.
50 seconds left.
Penalty situation.
Foul on jersey number 3.
Warning for fouled out.
Fourth foul on jersey number 3. Fourth foul, warning for foul out.
So both teams under on penalty. 50 seconds to end our last and final quarter. So, at the line, jersey number 22, Chua. Basket won by Chua, down to 9 points. Lead by Bethany. Foul on Edding.
48 seconds, penalty. Foul on jersey number 13, on War Edding.
Tres pa lang, boss.
Third foul on Edding, third foul.
Santos, no good for the first throw. Heading for the rebound. Still by Codilla.
45 seconds.
To Enrique.
And to shoot.
Foul on Lim.
Foul on jersey number 23, Lim.
So 39 seconds to end our last and final quarter. At the
Seconds
line, jersey
left,
number 5,
39
Enriquez.
seconds left.
Basket 1 by Enriquez. So 10-point lead. Gagawin ba 11 lead? 11-point lead by Bethany. 88. So commercial break by Pickleball.
Softball daw, guys. Softball.
Seconds play, 38 seconds left.
38 seconds left.
23 on the shot clock, 38 seconds left.
Lim fires a 3. No good. Rebound by Enriquez.
25 seconds.
Basket is good by Santos.
Santos with 42 points, 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
15 seconds.
No good on Chua.
10 seconds.
So congratulations on Team Bethany.
Santos with 43 points.
Santos, bumukol pa ng 3. Grabe. Congratulations on Team Bethany. This is our last game of this IABL Inter-School Basketball Tournament. So, thank you for watching our live. Please like and follow our page, IABL page. And congratulations to both teams on the game 1. And this is the last game. Congratulations. This is your commentator, Jasper Ignacio. Goodbye.